Hello! I spy with my little eye something that I have never seen before, and neither have you. It is black, orange and white, pretty much invaluable, and it can be yours soon. What am I talking about and how it can be yours? Well, check it out! Of course, I'm talking about a fully loaded bequiet gaming computer, but not just any system. It's this unique airbrush beauty, of which there's exactly one in the whole world. And this computer is not just a masterpiece on the outside, it also shines from the inside. This system is super powerful, super cool and of course super quiet. And even though the high-end computer market is quite deserted right now, we've built a system for you that leaves absolutely nothing to be desired. This is nothing short of a piece of art. Super quiet, extremely powerful and just a jewel. I really kind of want it for myself now, but okay. So, what do you have to do to win this powerhouse? Simply answer this question in the comments. How many different bequiet logos do you see in this video? To give you a hint, the logo here in the front just counts as one. The winner will be drawn from all subscribers with the correct answer on the 20th of July 2021. Please find all additional information about the giveaway in the information box of this video. Alright then, have fun and good luck!